Hello YouTube, I'm going to be reviewing the website SuperPay.me and how I made over $20 from using the website and taking surveys, watching simple videos, and not doing too much. Okay, so SuperPay.me is a website that offers many ways to make money. I will navigate the website to show you the different ways. So tab 1 is home. You see home, and it displays your cash balance right here. And right now where I'm pointing to, which is cash received, I've made $24.96 so far over time, you know, from using this good website over time to earn money. Next tab is offer walls. And it displays, you know, third-party websites on which you can make money, which I highly recommend. Next is cashback, where you can earn money from shopping through some of your favorite stores through SuperPay.me. Other than that is affiliates. See affiliates, where you can earn money from foreign people through your affiliate link. This is my affiliate link, and it's up to you if you want to support that link. You don't have to. You can just type in SuperPay.me and be cool with it. And then help is where you go if you need any questions and you need answers. See? This help. This is the help page. And then, and last but not least, is that you basically can cash out. Wait. Testimonies. I meant to say that. Are all the great reviews that talks about their experience of using the website. And last but not least is basically you can cash out through PayPal at a minimum of $1. Let me go to that page.